Hi third graders! Today we are going to spend some time reviewing what we've learned about polygons, quadrilaterals, and parallelograms. Our target is I can define and identify polygons. I will know I am successful when I can define and identify polygons in the real world. So, calling all detectives. If you are going to participate in this lesson today, you need to be a detective. If you aren't ready to be a detective, you need to pause this video and get ready before you may resume. Let's get started. So, identify this shape. We are going to be looking at the number of vertices, the number of sides, and the names of a bunch of different shapes. Let's start with this one. Number of vertices. Go ahead and count them. That's right, there are 3 vertices. Thinking of 3 right away, I know what I want to name the shape. Now let's talk about the number of sides. It has 3 sides. So what is the name of this shape, of this polygon? It is a triangle. Let's take a look at the next one. Identify the shape. Number of vertices. Make sure that when you count a shape with this many sides and any shape, you mark where you start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vertices. It has 10 vertices. Let's think about how many sides it might have then. You might see a connection here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 sides, 10 vertices, always the same. Who can remember the name of this shape? Okay, think of the word decimal, decade. It is a decagon. We need to make sure we're practicing the spelling of these shapes as well. Nice job, detectives. I'm wondering, are there any other names that you can think of for this shape? Me either. Let's keep going. Identify this shape. What are the number of vertices that it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Number of sides or edges that it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Names of the shape. It is a square because it has 4 sides that are equal length and 4 right angles. Is it a rectangle? Remember, a rectangle has 2 sets of parallel lines and 4 sides, 4 right angles. Yes, it is a rectangle. Is it a parallelogram? Does it have 2 sets of parallel sides? Yes, it is a parallelogram. Is it a quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides? Yes, it does. This shape has a lot of different names. Nice job, third graders. What about this shape? Go ahead and count those vertices. 9 vertices. Make sure you're working along with me. This isn't just for you to take in. You need to participate through your iPad. What about the number of sides? 9 sides, 9 vertices. What is the name? All right, third graders, what is the name of this shape? Go ahead and think. That's right, it is a nonagon. Let's keep going. How many vertices does this shape have? many sides? 5. So what is the name? It is a pentagon. Always think if you can come up with any other names for this one, that is the only name we will call it by. What about this shape? Number of vertices. I know a rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. So I'm going to write down that name, rectangle. Is it a square? Does it have 4 right angles and 4 equal length sides? No, it is not a square because the sides are not of equal length. Is it a parallelogram? Yes, it does have 2 sets of parallel sides. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it does have 4 sides. Identify this shape. Count those vertices. 7 vertices. 7 sides as well. What is the name of this shape? It is a heptagon. Nice job. What about this one? Six vertices. 6 sides connecting the vertices. The name of this shape is a, think carefully, hexagon. What about this shape? How many vertices does this one have? That's right, 0 vertices, 0 sides. This one is called a circle. Nice job not letting us trick you. That is not one of the polygons we are working with because it is not a polygon. What about this shape? 8 vertices. 8 sides. And the name of this shape is an octagon. Have you noticed a pattern of the ending of each of these words? The prefix seems to be the only thing changing. And then there are a couple that don't really fit that, but some do. Let's think about this one. How many parallel sides, sets of parallel sides does it have? 1, 2, that's 1 set. Here is another set. What about perpendicular? These intersect here, here, here. That's 4 sets. I noticed that the edges and the vertices were the same number all the time. This isn't the same number. The names of this shape are square. Every square is a rectangle. Every square and rectangle is a parallelogram. And every parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Nice job. Identify this shape. How many sets of parallel sides does it have? You said 0, that's right. It does not have any parallel sides. All 3 of the sides intersect. How many sets of perpendicular sides does it have? This triangle has 1 set of perpendicular sides. The name of it is a triangle. Nice job. What about this one? Sets of parallel sides. 1, 2, that's 1 set. Here's another set. That's 2 sets of parallel sides. What about perpendicular sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of perpendicular sides. Names of the shape? Right away I see a rectangle. Is this a square? Nope, squares have 4 equal sides. Is this a parallelogram? Of course. Remember, we're working on that spelling. Is this a quadrilateral? Yes, it is. Nice job. That is the end of our review for today. Beyond today, we are going to be getting into some perimeter. So make sure that you have your critical thinking caps on and bring your growth mindset every day. Have a great rest of your day.